Hello student, welcome back. This is Jose Velez here. I have something excited to show you, Maker. This is a sequencing program that you can start programming your music. You have drums in the bottom with two sounds of drum, a bass and snare, the second one. And here you have the melody. And we're gonna start by doing one note at a time. And you can go here uh, by checking Maker, or you just googling or you can just go to my website, Mr. Velez. Remember, you can just Google my name, Mr. Velez, click enter, and it should be the first one, Mr. Velez Virtual Classroom. When you click there, it's gonna take you to my website. Go to Music Tech and find Chrome Music Lab and go to Maker Intro. When you click there, it's gonna take you, and then here the link. And that link, let me open that so you can see how it's in blank. There you go. There's nothing there, and we're gonna use. We're not gonna mess with anything yet in the setting. We're gonna leave it like that. There's 4 measures. So here's measure 1 with 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. So this is measure 2. It's in gray. You have also 4 measure 1, 2, 3, 4 measure. 4 beats. Sorry. This is measure 3. And measure 4, also called as a bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4. So you have 4 bar or 4 measure. So we're going to start creating a basic drum. Whatever you come in here, you're going to copy on measure 2, measure 3, measure 4. Let's start with the bass. So I'm going to leave it electronic. Erase a little bit. And then I'm going to have a bass drum in the first beat of every measure. See, and then usually the snare goes on 2 and 4. So when you clap to a song, it's usually 2 and 4. And because we're starting out, we're gonna keep this basic. So let's listen. So you have a group, and then you can copy that on measure 2 and 4. See, beat 2 and beat 4. Beat 2 and beat 4. And then you listen back, and you got a pretty nice group there. See, so you have, this is beat 1, this is the end, beat 2, this is the end, beat 3, this is the end. So when you count with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, so you have here your quarter note, and here you have your A note if you have if you count 1 and. Okay, so it's pretty fun to watch. Here you have the tempo. You can choose different sounds. Here you have the notes of the melody. So this is your C, D, E, F, G, A, B, the 7 notes. So we don't have the sharp, the F sharp, or the flat yet. We can set it up later. But let's start with the basic 7 music note. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, or Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. And then you create your melody. When you create a melody, whatever idea you have to copy similar ideas and do a couple of variations. So you don't have to start doing something different. And you can change the sound of the melody if you like other, if you like piano. So I'm gonna start experimenting with this and listen back. So I have something here. Da, 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 da. Let me show you that I like it. Maybe I like it here. And then just by pressing and dragging and clicking again, you delete that. There, I like that. Okay, then I'm gonna copy something similar here with different notes. Let's check. See, I'm checking the same pattern and different notes, and let's check how this is the other method. Let's see how this sound. Let me make it like that. Oh, so something like that. See, and then I'm gonna copy something similar here, and then you have a pretty nice melody. So don't do two notes at the time. We're not there yet, okay? So melody is one note at the time. That will be harmony, and we're not there yet. So start with the basic drum, do a basic harmony, then copy in the third measure for something similar. Uh, Experiment, see what is the sound better. There's a lot of trial and error. Ah, so then you get that, and then listen back. There you go. That's a nice melody that you can sing, that you can hum. It's nothing crazy with jump, just something that you can put words on. And this is a nice melody with a nice rhythm. You can maybe later do a couple of variations in the drums, feel things out, and see if that not go too crazy. At the end, you can have more snare. Let's listen back. That sounds good. I like it. When you're done, save your song here under save. I'm gonna give you a link at the top or here. You just click here, copy the link. It's gonna turn blue. It's already waiting for you. It's on the clipboard in the back of the computer, waiting for you to go and paste it somewhere. You can email it. You can put it on a Google Doc. I recommend to do that. Open a Google Doc on Google. Open your Google Doc. Let me show you if you don't know how to do it. Go to the night dot. Open Google Doc. Document. And then you're gonna click a new one. Here is gonna be a blank. Open that. A new blank. See, open that. I have a lot of saving because that way you can save your song. Put the title, song maker, or your name with your song, and then here you can start putting song 1, song 2, song 3. I have it here already. See, I have a couple of songs because later we're gonna start adding more parts and more instruments, and it's gonna get longer. Right now we're just doing like in music we call section A. There you go, the forms. Let me see if I can put this bigger. And it's gonna, okay, yeah. In music we have forms, so we do section A, section B, section A. Maybe we go to other different section C, and then section A. So we are doing music. We're starting out with a section A. Make sure you do it right because later we're gonna do a section B. And it's gonna get bigger. The song is gonna get more, it's gonna get formed. It's gonna be more a song. Right now will be just a piece of, 4 bars. This is another example that I did. So whatever I'm coming up here, whatever idea, I try to copy that to get like a theme. Because let's get an example from Star Wars. Tan, 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 tan. And that melody, he took it and did some variation with the other 2 measures. Tan, 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 tan. He kept the same rhythm, but he changed the note. So you can get that idea when you're making music. Let's listen to this one. So I have a couple of variations here, but almost the same rhythm. and then a couple of different notes to make it more interesting. And here you have the fourth measure. So I hope that makes sense. So copy your song link by saving it, copy the link, and then make a Google Doc and go by pasting, by doing holding control and pressing V at the same time. Press enter. It's gonna highlight it on blue. That means it's already it's good. You can test it out. Open the link to see if that link is working. If you see that your song is coming blank, you miss something. You have to have all the links. So I can see the song is already here completely. So I'm good to go. So if you like this, please smash the like, and I'm gonna start making more videos to help you out and have fun with it. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.